My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Messi Eke and Maria Chike don't come out, come trade words for their Instagram live using their dialect wey be Igbo language. And also, Venita don emerge as one of the most recommended brand influencers for 2024. And lastly, Beauty Tukura don come out, come mention the only podcast where she dey interested in, and it was not her friends doing own. So as we all know, after the Big Brother Naija All-Star season, Doyin and Beauty, their friendship, we not really know wetin up with them. Two of them, they no dey for each other space like before again. Even though say they still dey follow each other on social media, they not really dey show themselves online the way that they show themselves. Doyin now don dey associate herself with other people, and Beauty, most of the time you go see her with Blue Eva, JMK and the rest, but you no dey ever see her put Doyin picture again for her Instagram story. So the whole thing starts after the things wey be say Doyin talk for inside the house, where Doyin reveal a lot of things, where Doyin still talk about the brand wey be say she give Beauty, all those type of thing. So when Doyin come out, Doyin come tender apology to Beauty publicly, because according to her, she says since she made that comment publicly, say she go try to explain and apologize to Beauty publicly, which she can't do. But after the apology, two of them, they not just the rapport like before anymore. So which means there's fire on the mountain. So of recent, Beauty come out for her Instagram story, come out, come call out the only podcast wey be say she dey lis ten to right now. As we all know, Doyin dey do podcast, Fina dey do podcast, Toke Makiwa dey do podcast. Almost everybody in this country dey do podcast. But the person wey be say Beauty come out, come acknowledge na her friend don, where she say na at Beauty Brains and the Bag podcast. So she come for her Instagram story, come say the only podcast I am listening to now is at Beauty Brains and the Bag podcast. She not put Doyin on. So people come dey say, whether she don't finally throw away Doyin because Doyin is a talkative, or what is going on there. Well, I don't know what really they go on with two of them, but it seems as if their friendship not they as strong as it was. But I'm still rooting for them anyways. If you watch this video and you never subscribe, kindly please subscribe, hit the like button, help me drop your comments for the comment section below, and also help me share this video. Una, thank you. So onto Venita matter. Venita, as we all know, she is a brand influencer for different brands right now, itel and some other few. And there are only few people where we say they legit for their brand influencing. Some of these housemates, they just want collect endorsement deal just to prove a point to their fans, saying na me get the most endorsement deal. But for Venita, it not turn out to be like that for her. Venita, they only influence for brand where we say she see them as authentic. She not the influence for brand where we say now just to collect money put for pocket. So they can't come because of that her good art, they can't come acknowledge her publicly to thank her for everything. So the people where give her this award, they say there be Lagos 57 top 50 and top 50 recommended brand influencers for 2024. You can see Venita's name there. Now only she be the Big Brother Naija housemate wey make am to the list. See what they write for there, the best choice. For there, they say for under, they can write, can say as per a survey conducted by Lagos 57.57.com marketing expert, Venita emerges as one of the most impactful brand influencers for potential partnerships in the first quarter of 2024. Imagine, the year never even go anywhere. Venita already they win. So see all the boxes where they tick for there. They say diverse audiences, which means our audience is not they limited to only Big Brother Naija. That different people, like for Nollywood, for other aspects of entertainment, they come to her for influencing. See the other one, authenticity. Then the last one, na proven track record, which means all her track record coming back from when she starts, before she even become a reality TV star. It turned out say na legit businesses na Venita dey influence for all these years. Because they come for down to come write small thing for her, they come say we are thrilled to announce at Venita as one of the 50 recommended brand influencers for 2024, curated by Lagos 57, your ultimate business guide for the vibrant city of Lagos. Reasons to partner with Venita Apofure. They give us the reason why any brand should partner with her. So the first one, they can say extensive follower base. Venita Apofure boosts a diverse and extensive audience, ensuring your brand message reaches far and wide. She'd always get engagement for her page, so that's a good one. Then they can say credibility and authenticity. With established credibility and authentic engagement, Venita Apofure fosters trust, providing your brand with a genuine endorsement. True. The last one can say unmatched visibility. Partnering with Venita guarantees your brand standard. Elevate your brand in 2024 with Venita. Congratulations to her. This is a very big win. Imagine when they do something, people they recommend you, say this particular person, if you go meet them, now true something she they do for person, not be wayo. That's a very good something. So I did very happy and proud of her. Also, onto Maria Chike and what be her name, Messieke, two of them yesterday for her Instagram live for what be her name for Maria Chike Instagram live. Maria, she was just talking about her picking. She just they have fun with her fans. So Messieke come enter the live, call and say, I won't call you. I never call you for many days, or type of thing. So Maria Cutlass may not call her because she go interrupt her live section. So as Maria see they do the live, Messi come start to dey call Maria for the live video. So Maria converse, come put Messi up for the Instagram live so that two of them will do the Instagram live together. So make una lis ten to how the conversation till end.
See, there's no amount. Alpha, and a full house. Yeah, CMC this year. Maria, good to see you. How is baby? How's your baby?
We have to come and see him. And I'm
Are you married? We have to do it this way. Send me an address. I'll tell you when I'll come. Don't worry. And maybe you guys can come to mine. Or we should do who's older? Which baby is older? Is your baby older than mine? I think my baby is older. You guys are coming first. It's too loud. It's too loud.
do you take this man? What? Do you take this man to be your lawfully wedded?
No,
I not.
You cannot say no. You cannot say no. It's too public to say no. I cannot say no. You can't say no.
I said no.
You will never say no in Jesus' name.
Babe, I have $50,000 from him for you. Maria, I put the message now. Why you take it out? How many times I brought yesterday? How many times I brought yesterday? I miss you, baby. So you left the States and you didn't tell me? No, I'm here. I went to Lakampine, the lab where it's here in Lagos. Yeah, I think in the No, I'm here. I went to Lakampine. It's here in Lagos.
And as personal as
You were having fun and we were supposed to go out. Don't worry, I'll see you tomorrow, baby. Monday, I'll come and see you. Okay? Alright, promise. Alright, bye. Love you. Bye.
marriage.
Alright, bye. Okay, guys. Back to football. I don't even know anything about football.
We are all making money, but just
Let's not talk about football. Let's just talk about, I don't know.
Una don hear the two of them now. I no even know say Maria Chike sabi speak Igbo like this. She try you. Well, I like their two friendship and I dey wish them more love and more genuine friendship. Una take care, una bye.